Hello, little friends! Welcome to Leo and Lily TV. Today, we're going to learn amazing facts about the dolphin.
I am a mammal, not a fish. I breathe air through the blowhole on top of my head. My strong tail helps me swim very fast. The ocean is my happy home. I enjoy eating fish, squid, and tiny sea creatures. I love jumping, spinning, and surfing on waves.
Dolphins live together in groups called pods.
I use clixels to talk with my friends. I am very smart. I can learn and remember many things. Watch me jump high above the water. Whew. I can see clearly above and below the water.
I use echolocation to explore the ocean and find fish.
Swimming after schools of fish is exciting and fun.
Dolphins help one another stay safe. A baby dolphin is called a calf. Mothers take wonderful care of their babies. Dolphins live in many oceans around the world.
I enjoy sunny days near the surface of the ocean. Clean oceans help dolphins stay healthy and happy.
Thank you for learning these amazing dolphin facts with me. Like, subscribe Leo and Lily TV, and ring the bell. See you soon for another adventure. Bye-bye!